So there are only 3 steps to change music from an Instagram post after posting it. And the very first step is you have to first of all open up your app store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, go to the search button and search here Instagram and hit the search button. And when the Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all tap on this update button and update your Instagram application. This is mandatory for seeing the same options just like me. So after updating your Instagram application, you are done with the very first step. Now moving towards the second step. Now if I open up my Instagram application and go to the post that I want to change the music of, and tap on this sound icon available at the bottom right corner of that post, it gives me an option to replace the track. So if I tap on it, and now if I tap on the location where the name of the music appears up under my name, here it gives me an option to replace audio. If I go into it, again go to replace track, and now it will appear me up with all the tracks, and I can just select any music which I want to change. But if this is not the case and you do not get the music to replace the audio track, then what you have to do, if I tap on these 3 dots available at the top right corner of the post and then tap on edit, now if I tap on the location at the point where the name of the music appears up, here you can see I only get 2 options, edit location and add AI label, and I am only able to edit my caption and other options, but I don't see any option for editing the music if I don't get the replace audio track option. So Instagram has not actually added any option for replacing the tracks from every post. Only you can do is you can just wait for that music to be removed from Instagram audio library, and in that case only you can replace that track. I hope for Instagram to launch an option in 2026 for changing music from all Instagram posts. Thank you so much.